Hello children, today I'll be teaching you lesson 7, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, right? So Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of MS Office Suite. What is MS Office Suite? MS Office Suite is a combination of many utility application software, and Microsoft PowerPoint is one of them. Microsoft Word is also a part of the same only. So Microsoft PowerPoint is also called as slideshow. Why it is called as a slideshow? Because in the Microsoft PowerPoint we don't call the pages as a pages or the document. We call them as a slides. So whatever we do, we design a slide and we express our views on the slide. So that is why it is called as slideshow, right? Now, how to start MS PowerPoint? To start MS PowerPoint, you go to the Start button, All Program, MS Office, and click on the this thing, MS PowerPoint. So, I have already opened a slide for you. Let's see. This is your this thing slide, right? Now, see children. When you open MS PowerPoint, you get a view something like this. It depends on the version of the PowerPoint you have, but more or less it will be like this. Now come to the corner, left corner of the screen. This is called Office button. Okay. If you click on this Office button, you will get options related to the PowerPoint, like to open a new PowerPoint, to open an old PowerPoint, to save your project, to print, to send, to publish, or to close. So we are not using that today. Now next to the Office button is a quick access toolbar. Can you see this? This is a quick access toolbar. And these tools are, you can add any tool or you can remove any tool. For example, this is spell check. Now I don't want this to be there, so I'll click on this button and I'll remove this spelling. See, this is removed now. Okay, and here again, if I want to add, I can add it. So it depends on the user what all buttons that user want to see in the quick access toolbar. So it can add or remove. Now to the next of the quick access toolbar is the title bar. Title, I told you, on your book or the notebook you write your name on the first cover on the first page. So same way each window writes its name on the topmost bar. So this is class 5 computer lesson 7 PPT. This is the name I have given to my presentation, right? Title bar. It's a title bar, and towards the right you will find these control button. This is the minimize button, maximize button, and the close button, right? So this is done. Now come to the second line. This is the tab bar. Home tab. The moment I'll click on the home tab, I'll get buttons, the options related to the home tab. This is called the ribbon, right? Now I click on the second one, it is insert button. I will get the options related to the insert button. Now the design, the animation, the slideshow, review, view, and the format. Okay, so these are the few tabs in my presentation. You may have others also, it depends on the version of the PowerPoint, right? Now home tab is the commonly used, and there you get all the tools for the editing. And there you come at the bottom of the screen, there it is written 1 of 4 slide. It means that you are working on the first slide out of 4 slides. See, I'll click on the third slide. So it is written 3 slides on the view and out of 4 slides, right? So it keeps changing the moment you keep clicking on the slides. Now towards the right side you will find these 3 buttons. This is a normal view. This view is called as a normal view. It is also called as the edit view. Now this is sorter view. Sorter view is to rearrange your slide. You have made the presentation, now at the end you find that no, you need this slide to be here, you need this slide to be at the second place, so you can arrange your slides over here. And this is the slideshow. After preparing, you must have seen in the auditorium when I show any presentation at the screen, on the screen at the back side as a backdrop, that is the presentation slideshow, right? So come back to the normal view. Okay, today I'll just tell you how to insert picture. For to insert, I've just said the word insert. It means that you need to go to the insert menu. Go to the insert menu, right? The moment you will click on the insert menu, you will get these options, these many options. This is table, this is picture, clip art, photo album, shapes, smart art, charts, text box, word art, header, footer, slides, movie. You can add any video also, sound also, track, different track, like that. You can use this insert, but I've just told you, I'll let you know how to insert a clip. So I'm going to click on the clip art, right? Okay, here I will write something, whatever I'm looking for example tree, and I'll click go. See, I get this tree. I'll click on it and I'll get tree. Now I go to the home tab, I'll copy and I'll paste. Now the trees are there. I can make a jungle with the help of this. So this way you can add tree, add any clip to the PowerPoint, right? Now a second is, if I need to draw a border to this picture, so I'll go to the, I see computer understand anything when you click. So I'm thinking that I need a border around this tree, computer will not understand. What I need to do, I need to click this. I have clicked the tree. Now computer will think that yes, something is going to be happen to this tree. Okay, so it will give you the options related to that. So this, can you see this drawing toolbar? The moment I clicked on this tree, this bar, this thing drawing tool appeared automatically. See, there is no drawing tool. The moment I'll click on this, I told you computer understands only when you click something. So I have clicked. Now here it is a drawing toolbar. I will click this also. Now related to this, what all I can do? I can insert a shape. I can do this, write something over there. I can fill the shape. For example, yellow color. I can shape the outline with green color, dark green color. Okay, like that. I want little thick outline. I go to the thick outline here. I need to these are the tools. As we'll proceed in the chapter, I'll keep telling you different things. So today I just planned that I'll tell you how to add picture and how to fill color in the picture and how to encircle or give the outline border to the picture. That was my task and it is done. And what is your task, children? It is to practice how to insert slide. You go to the home tab, click on the new slide. This way you can insert new slide, right? And second task is go to the insert button and click on the clip art, search any beautiful clip art. When you will click, you will find number of clip arts related. There are the many festivals are coming. Diwali, Dashera is already done, and the winters are there, the flowering season is coming, the Christmas is coming, New Year. So you can draw any this presentation with the help of insert and the clip art. Okay, so practice